I am going to share with you a secret. Promise me that you won't tell anybody, but you will implement it on your own business from day one to grow your business 1,000%. Trust me, guys, this is very simple and I guarantee you that it can work for anyone and for any business at all. It is so easy and simple that most Systemi.io users never implement it in their own business. This is the most underrated tool in the Systemi.io suite, but yet the most powerful of all of them. This tool I'm going to share with you today has 3 major parts. As a matter of fact, I'm talking about Systemi.io Custom Code. This is the most powerful tool in the entire suite of Systemi.io all-in-one marketing tool. One thing you notice is that you don't see a lot of video talking about what I'm about to show you today because it is so valuable and so important that you will only see it inside of a course. Now, the Systemi.io custom tool has 3 aspects of it. Each one of these tools has the potential to make you millions every day, every week, every month, depending on the offer you have and the business you are into. Now, let's look at the first aspect of this custom tool. The first aspect is called the tracking code. Now, what is the tracking code all about? In Systemi.io, you can be able to customize the tool using a tracking code. And let me tell you the secret here. You'll be able to customize the tool using a custom code. And here is it. The custom code has 3 major parts, right? And we're talking about the first one, which is the tracking code section. This is the first part of custom code section where millions are made every single day. And let me show you how they are made. Now, the first thing is this. You have advanced analytic integration. With this custom code aspect of Systemi.io, you will be able to basically integrate your Google Analytics. Guys, your Facebook Analytics, your TikTok Analytics. This is the intel that makes a lot of money that leads you to getting what we call conversion metrics. Conversion metrics are the information you get that helps you to know what is selling and how to optimize your ad campaign. Now, if you are using Systemi.io and you are not yet using it for advert, you are missing out because you need to be running traffic from your traffic source to your landing page so that you can now sell your product. That is how a lot of money is made, especially if you have a product or you have a service. When we integrate this code on our Google Analytics, our Facebook, our TikTok, we begin to track our sales. The second part of the tracking code session is custom conversion tracking. With custom conversion tracking, you'll be able to tailor your conversion pixel to optimize for whether you want sales or whether you want lead generation. Now, this is the most important aspect. Only people who are spending money on adverts, people who are making up to like $10,000 to let's say $1 million per month understand what I'm talking to you about. So even if you're not making this amount of money, just pay attention so that you can start learning from now. The third part of tracking session is retargeting campaigns. If you understand how to use tracking code session in Systemi.io, you'll be able to start retargeting everybody who has been to your website before, right? Or somebody who have tried to interact with your adverts. You start to track them, and the moment you start to retarget these people, you begin to make so much sales. If you have a business and you're running adverts, then you must take advantage of this so that you don't keep wasting your money on ads. And if you're not running ads yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, because that is where you make the big money. So that is the first part of Systemi.io that can literally make you a lot of millions, the tracking code session. Now let's head on to Systemi.io. Let me show you where this tracking code session is so that you can know how to begin to implement it right away. We'll just head on to our Systemi.io account. The moment we go there, we are going to look for our settings and I'll show you where to put this tracking code to start to integrate your Google ads, your retargeting, and your conversion tracking. Let's head on to it now. Now, if you have a landing page or a website, the moment you open it, I'm sure by now you already know how to locate this particular designer place once you go to your Systemi.io. If you've not done that already, please go and watch out of my video and you'll see how to navigate all this part. But I'm assuming you already know how to use the platform. So you just open one of your funnel, one of your landing page. When you open it, you go to your settings, right? When you click on settings like this and scroll down, you will see tracking. This is where the magic bullet is. Most people never utilize this aspect of Systemi.io. When you click on tracking, this is where you are able to put any of the code, whatever it is that you copy from Facebook. Because Facebook, Google, TikTok will give you a tracking code. With this tracking code, you can track who is coming to this page. What are they doing? Are they buying? Are they leaving the page on time? Are they giving you phone numbers? It will track all of their interaction. And from that intel you have, you can now start making a lot of money. So all that is done when you are able to go to this place here, click on it and paste your code so that you can start tracking your website. And this is the first part. Now let's go back to our drawing board. That is how we implement the tracking code for our business. The next part of this custom code right now is sales funnel settings. Now this is typically used for global applications. Let's say I want to focus on my entire system, right? I want to track everything around my website, or let's say my landing page. I want to apply all of them to all the pages, right? This applies to all pages on my entire website. I want to make sure that everything is automatically tracked. My Facebook, my Google, my TikTok. I just want to make sure that I track everything on the page, on the entire page, plus my About Us page, my sales page, whatever it is that I'm going to this particular aspect. Now, let me tell you why this is important. The first important use for this global application that you have in your sales funnel settings in Systeme.io is this. First of all, is for branding, right? Branding and SEO. You'll be able to set some default themes. You can just choose and decide how you want certain things to happen on your website by putting some codes here, right? I can go and make some customization on my website or my landing page, and I will just come to this particular place here, the global settings, and I will effect the change at this point. Another thing here is if I want to have a custom font, right? And I have an SEO settings that I want to affect the entire website, I will have to use these global settings for that. So that is why globally, if you just want to maintain a cohesive brand, you want to improve your SEO search engine and your settings, you put the code in this place. I will show you shortly in Systeme.io. Now, another usefulness of this particular settings that we have on Systeme.io is global code injection. Let's say I want to style my entire website. I want to put some JavaScript for the website or the landing page to perform certain action when users go on my website. This is the perfect place for that to happen, right? Finally, another thing that you can do with this aspect is you can automatically trigger some emails. You can put some code, you can inject some code here. Customization. Using AI, using ChatGPT, you can customize your Systeme.io platform and you'll be able to do it here. From there, you can be able to just automate some emails to start flying from there on automatic based on certain action that is being taken. We can set our conversion goal. Say, okay, anytime somebody clicks here and give us phone number, this is what it means, and start calculating it for us, and let's optimize for that. Then we can streamline our marketing effort by putting some code in this aspect of our global settings. Where do you locate the global settings? If you want to go to this particular settings where you can put some customization, some code inside of your Systeme.io platform, all you need to do is to go back. Let's say you just sign into your Systeme.io and you find yourself on your dashboard, because when you sign into the platform, you will see your dashboard here. So just go to this place here where your profile picture is. Click on settings. When the settings open for you, scroll down and look for sales funnel, right? When you click on sales funnels, you will see this particular place will be open. Here you can put some code. You can see here, I have some tracking codes here. I have some Google codes here and all that. This place is helping me by this code here. I have some videos where I explain each and every aspect of this place, an example of what you can do. Let's just outline all the important things that we can do with our most important tool on the platform. So going back to our drawing board, we are done with number 2, right? This is the first one. This is the second one. Now let's look at the third feature. This is one of my favorite features, and I wonder why a lot of people are not using it. I literally use this particular feature, raw HTML element. Use this feature to create a brand new website, right? And landing page that I can literally use ChatGPT and AI to just create for me. I don't need to design again inside of Systeme.io because this tool right here is a very, very bad boy. So let's look at it, how it works. Now, what can you do with this particular tool? You can have a custom widget, right? A custom form on your Systeme.io account. You can create custom forms to collect contact. You can add some functionalities, right? You can embed pop-ups, right? You can even create your own chatbot that people can come to your own Systeme.io website and they can chat with your AI. You can do it with this particular raw HTML. And if you want to capture some leads, of course, you can do that. Then second thing you can do with raw HTML element of custom code is you can have third-party integrations. This is so easy. Like, it allows you to seamlessly integrate with external tools such as review platforms, widget platform, your Facebook to your Systeme.io account using raw ML, plus some feeds in your own Systeme.io website without you going outside, and a lot can be done, right? You can do so much with this particular raw HTML aspect of custom code available in Systeme.io. Then finally, the third thing you can do with this raw HTML here is you can create a unique enhancement to your website. When I'm talking about unique enhancement, I'm talking about you can literally create a website. A brand new website can be created with this tool, right? You can create a funnel with this. Another thing you can do here, you can create a landing page. A brand new landing page can be created. Now, for some of you here who are into affiliate marketing, if you're into affiliate marketing, this is a no-brainer, because in affiliate marketing, especially when you're using ClickBank or Digistore24 like I do, you will discover that you have a lot of products to promote. And when you are promoting a lot of products, let me show you how it works, right? We go to Marketplace, so which is ClickBank. Now, when you have a ClickBank, you get the ClickBank link here. You need to have a landing page that people will go and see whatever offer it is. When they see whatever offer it is, now they click on the offer and they make payment, and you now make your own commission when they make payment. But now, why many people are not able to do affiliate marketing is because you have to be promoting a lot of products. Like, you need many products that you need to promote at the same time. So one of the bottleneck here is that you don't have time and money to be creating landing pages after landing pages. What this particular raw HTML does is that you can use ChatGPT, right? You can just use AI to be creating these landing pages on autopilot every single hour. You can have unlimited amount of landing pages that you can now start using to promote your affiliate product. And with this, you make so much money as an affiliate marketer. Now, if you even want to know how this thing is done, I did a particular video where I literally use the raw HTML, this part, to create a complete website to promote one of our products, right? So you can just click here, go and watch that particular video on how you can use this raw HTML and AI, ChatGPT, or Claude AI, or DeepSeek to be able to create your own complete website and landing pages for free. You don't need somebody like me, an expert in the Systeme.io, to be able to do it for you and charge you a huge amount of money. You can do it yourself, right? So go and click it and watch it. See you in the next one.